We tell people to wash their hands, but a study showed 30% of the homes on Navajo Nation don't have running water. So how are they going to do that?
And the Navajo Nation is one of the hardest hit areas by COVID-19. Right now, there are more than 1,100 cases of COVID-19 and 44 deaths. They've lost more people to the virus than 13 states in the country.
Today, the Navajo Nation held a virtual town hall with several lawmakers, including Senator Martha McSally and Congressman Tom O'Halloran. McSally says many people are fearful, but we are all in this together.
Fear and uncertainty is very real. My prayers are with you, with the Navajo Nation.
We shall overcome this. And when we do, Navajo Nation will be a great nation again, as it always has been.
Help is coming to the Navajo Nation. Congress's CARES Act is sending $8 billion to tribal governments. Our David Caltabiano talked to the president of the Navajo Nation about its newest measure to stop the spread.
The Navajo Nation announced another public health order requiring all residents to wear face masks in public.
We're doing everything we can here on the Navajo Nation to protect our citizens.
Navajo Nation President Jonathan Nez is self-quarantined. 10 days ago, he and his VP were in close proximity with a first responder who tested positive for COVID-19. Luckily, the nation's top leaders don't have any symptoms.
We're feeling great. I'm feeling great. No symptoms. 4 more days to go, but let me just say that we are going to get back onto the battlefield once these 4 days are up.
Tonight, President Nez told us new plans to combat COVID-19, one of which is implementing a policy for fewer people to go grocery shopping. For example, he says the last digit of your license plate could dictate what day you shop.
We're finding creative ways to keep our people safe and keep them at home.
President Nez also announced a new deal with FEMA to outfit facilities like hotels, schools, and gyms into makeshift hospitals. He also wants to use those facilities for people who tested positive for coronavirus.
So that we can be able to put positive patients into these facilities so that they don't have to go home and spread that virus within their household. As you may know, multiple generations of family members live under one roof.
Construction on some of those facilities should be done in a couple weeks. Until then, President Nez remains optimistic as the peak of coronavirus cases in Navajo Nation is expected in early May.
I think we can all push this virus out of our communities.
In Phoenix, David Caltabiano for Arizona's Family.